In my previous video, I showed you how to record high quality videos using only your smartphones. If you watched that video, congratulations, you've already taken the first step to becoming a content creator. But recording your video is not enough. You shouldn't just record a video and upload it immediately. If you want your videos to look clean, professional, and interesting, you need to edit them first. I'm going to show you how to install one of the best free video editing apps called CapCut. After installing it, you will open the app together and create our first project. Next, I will show you a few basic editing tools that every beginner should know. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to install CapCut, import your videos, choose the correct aspect ratio, trim your clips, split your video, remove unwanted parts, and save your edited video. So, if you are ready to learn, pick up your smartphone and let's install CapCut and edit your very first video together. Let's get started. So, the first thing I'm going to do is to launch on my Play Store. Once I tap on it, I will allow it to load. Once it opens, I will touch this search. I'll click on search. It will show me this option. I'll go ahead and type CapCut app. I'll click on search. It will show me this interface where you see option to install CapCut. So I'll click on install. Automatically it will start installing. As you can see it, once it is 100%, you can see it. So I'll click on open, but I don't want to click open. I'm going to exit this page completely and go to my home screen and open it. As you can see, I'm on my home screen, so I'll go ahead and click on CapCut. Okay? I'll click on CapCut. I will allow it to load. It will redirect me to this particular page. Then I'll go ahead and agree on their terms and conditions. After clicking that I agree on their terms and conditions, it will still redirect me to another page. Next, allow CapCut to open and show you this interface. You will see options to choose your email address to sign in using your Google account or email address. So I'll go ahead and click on sign in using my Gmail account. It will redirect me to this page. I'll go ahead and select the email account I want to use and register for CapCut. I will allow it to open so that I can be able to import my first video. I'll click on import video. It will still redirect me to this option to allow CapCut to access my galleries. I will click on allow. Then it will take me to my gallery. I will now import my first ever video that I want to edit. I'll click on add. So automatically it will redirect me to my timeline. As you can see, this is my imported video. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do here is to work on this, our aspect ratio. The aspect ratio is a shape, width, and height of your video. Choosing the correct aspect ratio ensures your video fits the platform you're uploading to without cropping. Okay? Example, 16.9 is best for YouTube videos and computer screens. 9.16 aspect ratio is best for TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. 1.1, as you can see it is in square form, is best for Instagram feed post and Facebook post. So 4.5, as you can see it is vertical, is good for Instagram. Alright, so you have to do your research very well. Now that you have known your aspect ratio, you know the platform you are working for. So go ahead and choose wisely. Do not make mistake. So I'm working for YouTube short form video, which is 9.16 aspect ratio. So I'm going to choose it now. Let's use my two fingers to resize my video. I'm okay with what I have now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to remove unwanted parts. So any part you want to remove, you see this white line, we call it playhead. You make sure you place it to the exact position where you don't want. You shift it to the correct point where you don't like. The particular side where you feel that you make mistake or you speak longer or you have some pauses, in fact, whatever be the mistake that you make there, you just place your playhead there, then you click on split, automatically it will highlight for you, then click on delete. You see it is out of the way. You now move. Do you see this place that you see this CapCut logo? If it's not deleted, it will appear like this in your video. So once you place your playhead there, it will highlight. Click on delete. You click on delete. It will be out of the way. The next thing I'm going to do now is to click on this my export button that is up here. Once I tap on it, it will now export my gallery. Okay, you see that it's exporting. I will wait until it is 100%. Did you see it? It's exporting. So I'll continue to wait until it is 100%. Do not touch the screen. Do not do any other thing. Anytime you are exporting your video, do not do anything with your either phone. Just be patient and allow it to reach 100%. So it's done exporting. You can either share it to any platform of your choice, or you click on this done here. It will now enter into save into your gallery. Okay, from your gallery you can now export it to any platform of your choice. So that is it. If you learned something from what you just watched, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and finally give me a thumbs up.